Second muscle here after this will be supraspinatus here. So because it is above the spine, this is called as the supraspinatus muscle. What is the origin? It's very simple.
Origin?
Yeah. This fossa, wherever there is cavity like, that is called as fossa in the bone. Okay. So here it is cavity like above. So this is called as supraspinous fossa. Supraspinous fossa. Okay, because it is above the spine, the muscle is supraspinatus. Insertion is to where? Humerus. Okay. Where? Greater tubercle. Okay. So the origin is from the supraspinous fossa and the insertion is to the greater tubercle. Okay. So this is the origin and insertion of the muscle. Okay. So greater tubercle, even if you write humerus is okay, but it's better to write greater tubercle of the humerus. Nerve supply. Axillary. Supraspinous. Yeah. The nerve is also called as supraspinatus. Okay. So this is the nerve supply. Action is initial abduction 0 to 15 degrees by this one. Okay. The origin is from the supraspinous fossa. Insertion is to greater tubercle. Nerve supply is by the supraspinous nerve, and the action is by abduction of the arm from 0 to 15 degree. Okay. Then the second muscle is infraspinatus. Okay. So where it takes origin? Infraspinous fossa. So this is the infraspinous fossa here, this part. Okay. Insertion is again to the greater tubercle. Okay. Greater tubercle. Nerve supply is by supraspinous nerve. Okay. Then the action is abduction. Adduction. Yeah. There is no initial adduction. Adduction can be easily done. Okay. So there is not the because this is against gravity. It has to be by many muscles. So initial movement is by supraspinatus, then from the deltoid. Okay. But for adduction there is no initial or something like that. Okay. So it helps in the adduction of the arm. Okay, as well as the extension of the, because it is back, so it helps also in the extension of the arm. Okay. So this is about the infraspinatus. So we have studied the deltoid, supraspinatus, infraspinatus. Then we have teres major and teres minor. Okay. So we have one is called as the teres minor. Teres minor, a small muscle here extending like this. Okay. What is the origin of this muscle?
Lateral
border. See, remember we have studied the serratus anterior. It is inserting into the medial border. Now we are studying the teres minor muscle, which will be taking origin from the upper part of the lateral border. This is the lateral border. This is the medial border. So in the upper part, small muscle. So it is taking from here. So this is the teres minor taking origin from the upper part of the lateral border. Insertion. The scapula. Okay. So I am showing this. Okay. So this should be the scapula. Okay. So this is the medial border. This is the lateral border. So lateral border of the upper part of the scapula. Okay. Then the insertion is to again greater tubercle of the humerus. Okay. Here. Okay. Again, all these muscles will be making the something called as the musculotendinous cuff around the shoulder joint, so that it can be well protected. Okay. Then the fourth muscle, okay, the nerve supply of this muscle, axillary, okay, axillary nerve. Action, adduction. Main is the adduction. Okay. And the fourth muscle is fifth muscle actually. Teres major, taking origin from the lateral border, lower part of the lateral border. Teres minor taking origin from the upper part of the lateral border. Teres major is taking origin from the lower part of the lateral border. Insertion is to the again to the humerus. Okay. Again to the humerus. Okay. Nerve supply. Axillary for this. What is the nerve supply to this?
So
What is the muscle? Teres major. Supraspinous. Find out.
Thoracic.
Okay. No. Okay. So what is action? Again, adduction as well as the extension. Okay. As well as also helps in the lateral rotation. Okay, because it is all totally posterior. Big muscle behind. Okay. Then the last muscle is, which is the last muscle? Subscapularis. Good. Subscapularis. As I said, it will be deep inside here. Okay. So subscapularis, what we studied is all the muscles here. Supraspinatus, infraspinatus. Now we are turning backwards. Actually, it is in the front. Okay. So this part, which is attached to the totally to the thoracic part, is called as the subscapular fossa. Just like the name of the fossa. So here it is. Muscle is supraspinatus, so the fossa is supraspinous fossa. Here it was the muscle is infraspinatus muscle, so the fossa is infraspinous. Here the muscle is subscapularis muscle, so the fossa is subscapular fossa. So subscapularis muscle take origin from the subscapular fossa. Okay, origin. Where is the insertion? Again to the humerus. Now supply.
Axillary nerve.
Subscapular. Subscapular nerve. Okay. Subscapular.
Axillary.
Axillary nerve. Okay. So and the subscapular. Subscapular nerve. Okay, subscapular nerve. Okay. And the action. Rotation of what?
Of shoulder.
Shoulder. Where is the insertion? To the humerus. So what happens whenever it contracts? One is the adduction as well as the lateral rotation, and again the extension as well as some part of the rotation also. Okay. So these are the 6 muscles. One is the deltoid muscle, supraspinatus muscle, infraspinatus muscle, teres minor, teres major, and the subscapularis muscle. So these are the 6 muscles here. Okay. So along with that, we have studied the deltoid, actually the trapezius muscle here, big muscle. Similarly, lower part we have one more muscle here. This is called a latissimus dorsi. See here, this muscle side, latissimus dorsi. Again, whole muscle. Okay. So this is the muscle here. This is called a upper part of the back is covered by the trapezius muscle. Lower part of the back is covered by this muscle called as the latissimus dorsi. Again, this also has a very big origin. Again, from the spine of the vertebrae. Whole thing from the lower part of the spine of the vertebrae is the big origin, as well as also some of the fibers from the angle of the this is the angle of the scapula. So some of the fibers also take origin from here. Okay. The insertion is to the bicipital groove of the humerus. Okay. So this is the latissimus dorsi. Okay. Latissimus dorsi here. It will be here. Trapezius will be upper part here. Okay. Okay. So these are the 2 large muscles here which are there in the back. Okay. So this also you should know, the trapezius as well as the latissimus dorsi also. So anything else here? Okay. So we have studied in the pectoral region 4 muscles: pectoralis major, minor, subscapularis, subclavius. Sorry, I'm getting confused. Okay. Pectoralis major, pectoralis minor, subclavius, and the 4th muscle is the serratus anterior side. Okay, yes, very good muscle. Okay, 4 muscles: pectoralis major, minor, subclavius, and the serratus side. Posteriorly, we have studied 6 muscles along with 2 large muscles. One is the trapezius muscle, second is the latissimus dorsi. These are the 2 large muscles. When you reflect this, then we study the 6 muscles. Which are those 6 muscles?
14 زائد 14
deltoid muscle,
الحين 9
supraspinatus, teres minor, teres major, and the subscapularis. So these are the 6 muscles. Okay. insertion is to the bicipital groove. I said bicipital groove of the humerus. Yeah, of the humerus. Okay. So this is about the two regions. If you have any difficulties regarding this, just you can. I had